Hey guys, so I am here at Ganella Pass Road. This is where I plan to start my hike, to hike my very first 14er tomorrow. But I wanted to come here and just see what it looks like, at least get an idea of where the trailhead is at. That way, tomorrow when I come, I know exactly where to park and everything. So this is the parking lot, and the summit is somewhere around here. The trail starts like right there. But yeah, this is it. So tomorrow I'll be summiting and hiking my very first 14er. I hope the weather is a lot better than today. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit better, but it's definitely cold, which is not surprising. Yeah, super excited to hike my very first 14er. Update on my Bronco. I love it, y'all. This is my new Ford Bronco Sport, and I absolutely love this car. It's doing so well. I've taken it on a couple of trips, and so far, so good. I'm a little bit nervous just because, I don't know, I've heard of 14ers and everyone says they're just like so tough. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck, and I will see y'all on the hike. Hey guys, I am finally doing it. I'm hiking my very first 14er. This is Mount Bierstadt, and it is about 7 miles. And should take me about 6 hours to complete. It is 6:30 in the morning, and it is beautiful. I'm so glad it's not raining yet. I was a little nervous because I heard this trail's really popular and gets packed, so I was like, thank God I didn't run out of like anywhere to park. It is a weekday, so I think that probably has a lot to do with it. But yeah, super excited though, because it's my very first 14er, and it's beautiful. The sun is rising right now, and it's gonna be a great hike. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video. Guys, I am definitely starting to feel it already. I've hiked a mile and some change. Whew, wow. Wow, just look at how beautiful it is though. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, I'm actually hiking this 14er for my birthday, which was July 9th. And I told myself this year that for my birthday, I dropped my pole. For my birthday, I want to hike a 14er, so that's what I'm doing. What a great way to start 32. I guess really starting age 33, but yeah, out here doing what I love, and there's no better way to celebrate a birthday than with a hike. This hike is so tough. Oh my God. Yeah, this is pretty hard. Not gonna lie. Where's the trail? The heck? Hey guys, checking in here. I am about 2 miles in, and I can definitely feel the altitude. I got about 1.5 miles left. It's been 2 hours, and I'm definitely starting to feel it. And this part is tough, and it's cold up here. Oh man. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, this is hard. Oh man. Hey guys, checking in here. I am almost there, y'all. I am at 3.2 miles, and the summit is at 3.6. So I'm almost there. The sun came out, so it just feels good, the sun, but it is so cold. And there's so many rocks. Oh my God. Look at all of these rocks. This is just crazy. These rocks are crazy. Whoa. This is hard. You guys, I did it. 14,000 feet. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is A1 and I'm never doing this again. Oh my God, you guys. This is crazy. It's right here. You almost made it. I made it, you guys. 14,000 feet. Oh, this is so crazy, but I did it. I feel like crying, but what an accomplishment. I need to hurry up and get off this mountain, but I did it, y'all. Guys, my very first 14er. I'm so excited. I gotta get off this mountain. Guys, I can't believe I literally just hiked a 14er. I was all the way up there. So crazy. And I'm so ready for the car, ready for food, ready to lay down. Did it. Oh, I cannot believe it, but I made it back to the trailhead. It took me 7 hours and 52 minutes. Oh Oh, that's so crazy. 7 hours, 52 minutes. I did it, y'all. I am back in my car, and that was a lot. I don't know why I put myself through these things, but whew, that was a little bit traumatizing. That part at the top, like towards the end, y'all, that was crazy. And what's crazy is like you can literally look at the mountain from like here in the car, and it looks like, oh, okay, that won't be too bad. No, that top part was the worst part ever. Oh my God. I was about to start crying up there, you guys. I had to like hold it together because the way them tears were about to just start flowing. I don't know what it is, but it's like the sense of accomplishment. Like you just like get up there and you're like, oh my God, like I'm actually up here. I actually did it. I actually fought through these winds and this cold and the rain and literally everything. Fought through the altitude to like make it. Yeah, it's so crazy, but it's also so rewarding. Like, wow, I did that, y'all. I literally hiked up to 14,000 feet. And now I can just sit in my car and stare at the mountain that I literally just climbed. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's up there. Wow. And I'm just proud of myself. Like, I love putting myself through challenges, and yeah, I did that. And I'm so happy that it's done. And it honestly might be a one and done. I don't know. That's what I said when I got up there to those rocks. I said, this is it. Like, I'm never doing this again. But now that I'm sitting in my car, I'm like, well, what are the other 14ers? But it's going to be like a year later because, I definitely need time to recover from this. Thank you so much for coming along this hike with me and celebrating my birthday. Even if you're just like watching the video, I feel like we're celebrating together through this crazy journey up this mountain. Super excited to just be done. I'm about to go get some food. I'm gonna go find a restroom. Now that I think about it, I should have used the restroom before I sat down in my car because I'm not getting up. Not right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go find some coffee because I love a good latte reward for any hike. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I will see y'all on the next adventure.